Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on everyone's mind lately: artificial intelligence. We hear about how it's changing everything: the way we work, the way we think, and even the way we learn. It's got a lot of people asking a really big question. Could AI one day replace our teachers? Think about it for a second. AI is brilliant, right? It can spit out answers to the most complex questions in a split second. It can explain tough subjects with perfect clarity, and it's always available. 24/7. It never gets tired, never loses its patience. For any student struggling with homework late at night, that sounds like an absolute dream come true. You get a personalized tutor anytime, anywhere. But let's take a step back. Is that all teaching is? Just delivering information? I don't think so. True teaching, the kind that sticks with you for life, is about so much more. It's about connecting with another human being. It's about a teacher seeing that flicker of confusion in your eyes, even when you're too shy to ask for help. It's about them noticing you having a tough day and offering a quiet word of encouragement. A real teacher doesn't just listen with their ears, they listen with their heart. They share stories from their own lives that make a dry history lesson feel real and immediate. They ignite a spark of curiosity in you that a search engine never could. They're the ones who inspire you to be a better person, not just a better student. Can an algorithm do that? Can AI truly feel empathy? Can it see that incredible sparkle in a student's eyes the moment a difficult concept finally clicks into place? I don't believe so. AI can't teach us the invaluable lessons of kindness, of resilience when we fail, or the importance of integrity. These aren't things you can program. These are things you learn by example. From people who genuinely care about your growth as a whole person, not just your test scores. So, here's what I think. I believe AI will never fully replace teachers, and this is a big but, it will become their most powerful ally. It will revolutionize their jobs for the better. Imagine a world where AI handles all the tedious, time-consuming tasks. It could grade multiple-choice tests instantly, provide immediate feedback on essays, and create personalized learning plans for every single student in the class. This would free up our teachers to do what they do best: teach. They'd have more time for one-on-one mentorship, more time for leading engaging classroom discussions, and more time to focus on the social and emotional well-being of their students. The teachers who learn to embrace this technology, who see it as a tool to enhance their craft, won't be replaced. They'll be empowered. They will become super. So, instead of fearing that robots are coming for our classrooms, maybe we should be excited. We should be focused on how we can best integrate this amazing technology to support our incredible educators. Because at the end of the day, education isn't just about processing information and data. It's about nurturing humanity. And that is a job that will always require a human touch. I'd love to hear what you think down in the comments. How do you see AI changing your classroom? Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next one.